Hi guys, here is our greenhouse. We have different varieties of pothos, philodendron, syngonium, and today we want to tell you how to make my hanging plants bushier and healthy. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay friends, without light your plant growth stops and doesn't grow. Light is most vital factor for more growth. You have to provide water requirements by checking soil. When it was dry, start to water. In the winter and fall, do not use cold water. It makes root growth stops and you will see some leaves start to get yellow. More house plants like room temperature. If you just don't do any pruning to it at all and let it grow normally, it's going to go big. And line pruning get the pot normally tight compact. Stick the vine directly back into the pot. If your pothos is vining out like this, you can bend back the stem and stick the stem aligned with roots in soil. These stems many more back, so you can secure the stems using pins.